Invention of wheel.
Whoa, look at that portal! It's activating! So cool! To 3500 BCE? Let's go! Today we're going back to when someone saw a problem and rolled right over it.
Welcome to Story Nanny. Laugh, learn, and dream.
But wait, a wheel alone goes nowhere.
It needs an axle. It needs something to carry. It needs a reason to roll.
The reel wasn't born on a road. It was born in a mine.
Today we're going back to when someone saw a problem and rolled right over it. Hold on tight! We're going back 6,000 years!
The Carpathian Mountains. These miners need to move copper, but their feet and their backs are saying no. Meet Reka. She's a copper miner, and she has a problem that needs rolling.
Unser Hilfbraucher ist Schialei. Bitte.
I'll show you the old way.
They tried rollers, but rollers roll away. The problem keeps coming back. Milo sees it. What if the rollers don't roll away? What if they become wheels?
Wheels!
No metal nails, no electric tools, just hands, wood, and knowing exactly how round works. It works. The wheel and axle. Together, they carry what muscles cannot. But there's a problem. The tunnel turns. The cart can't turn. The wheels are stuck to the axle. The whole thing must lift and pivot. Slow again. Dangerous.
Invention.
What if the wheels spin alone? What if the axle stays still and the wheels dance around it?
Good invention. But it needs one more spin to be great.
Round holes! The axle fits! Pegs keep the wheels on. Independent wheels. That's the magic. They spin their own way but roll together.
Technology is strategy. When you can move faster, you can think faster. You can win.
Good ideas roll. They roll across mountains, across centuries, across the whole world.
We're back. But look around. The wheel never stopped. It's still turning right now.
Next time we ride the Iron Road. See you then, time travelers.